Council, what are your expectations for the day and for each of the 9 grounds that was set out in the bail application? What do you think might certainly come out as the ruling today, and what are some of those things that you do expect to highlight today?
I expect a jubilant crowd here at the High Court celebrating the liberty at long last of Besigye and Lutale. You remember since November 16th, they have not seen the light of freedom. So we expect that finally the long night of darkness, of incarceration, ends today with the ruling of the High Court that affirms their liberty, like they are bound to do. He's an old man. Lutale is also an old man. They have substantial sureties. It's long overdue. There is no earthly reason why the High Court wouldn't grant bail to the old duo who are illegally detained, illegally kidnapped, abducted, incommunicado detained for some days, roughed up, suffered illegal and unconstitutional trial, judicial harassment and persecution in a kangaroo military tribunal in Machinde, whose jurisdiction the Supreme Court finally did a death blow on 31st January. People who have suffered kidnap, abduction, illegal trial, detention without trial, and who are very old, and who have constitutional rights to personal liberty, to human dignity, and the other curtain of human rights. There is no other reason why they should not be released today, and I am very positive and very optimistic. I would be shell-shocked if they were not released today.
Certainly, but when you look at the first bail application, or actually the first application of the writ of habeas corpus that you had filed in front of now chairperson of the Judicial Service Commission, Dr. Douglas Singiza, that he said it was already overtaken by events, wouldn't you certainly say that the same reason couldn't stand as a reason to deny this bail application, because certainly there is a court case against the two, or against the duo in the Nakawa magistrates?
No, this is bail pending trial. It does not suggest that there is no case against them. It only affirms their presumption of innocence as the state goes about the task of gathering evidence. We know they are not ready to try them in any event. Even if they already try them, it wouldn't be a roadblock to bail. But the state is actually not ready to try them. They are still scampering for evidence, making this and other application to look through records, which we thought they already had looked through, phone records and so on and so forth. So bail pending appeal is the application before the High Court, and it's the ruling we're expecting. It doesn't say that Besigye has no case or doesn't have it. It only says that while the state goes about in its attempt to perform a miracle of proving a concocted case against this duo, they should be coming from their homes and litigating this matter.
Certainly, you are one of those people that have been vocal and have been the highlight of this case ever since they first appeared in the match in the military court that was later on nullified. How would you want to speak to what the members of the bar think of the bench and this growing rift between the two? And how would you want to speak to the temporary freedom that you have recently been granted as you move forward to the bar to be able to defend this bail application and maybe listen to the proceedings as they are going to be given?
So freedom is precious, shouldn't be taken for granted. And while you have it, you need to make the best use of it, including asserting the fundamental human rights of others, which is why I'm here today, once again, to stand with Besigye and Lutale to ensure that they secure their freedom. About the rift between the bar and the bench, it's regrettable, it's unfortunate, but it's here. We have to resolve it ultimately. It's not good. It's not good. Judiciary and lawyers must work together. They have no option, really. They can't avoid each other. They need each other. And for me, it's that we have to heal this, but heal them on principle. We want justice in this country. We should unite in justice. We should unite in rule of law. We should unite in advancing the human rights of Ugandans. anyone who is trying to fight those ideals will have to fight us.